Nice. Yeah, I didn't have any option to escape, so I knew he was gonna go for the Alistar kill. So easy to hit him with the blind Q there. Winning bot lane and almost having my form. I'm pretty sure all my orbs are red orbs right now, so if I go gank bot lane and I get a lot of blue orbs from it, I'm 99% sure I get my red form. Gioi and Zac are both problematic, but I think with this itemization, this playstyle, I'll be able to handle it. I can't really blame Echo for losing in bot lane because it is, or mid lane, because it is a pretty obnoxious champion. I'm gonna get my bot side camps.
Try to catch me. It's all blood, sweat, and tears.
I think I'm willing to sack my topside camps to like just play around bot here. Look for a dive and make sure that they have zero potential of dying and getting ganked.
A summoner has disconnected.
Oh, that's unfortunate. Ouch. Yeah, I was right, I did get my red form, that's good. Damn, he actually almost killed him. Guys, my Smolder died 4 times in a row to Fiora and then AFK'd. I waited 15 minutes for this game.
Let's find the lights and camera first. I have nothing but dust.
Can win a 4v5, I think.